Unit 14.
Conversation. $127. What did you do?
I went to school.
What did you do?
I went to school.
128. What did you do then?
Then I went to my classes.
What did you do then?
Then I went to my classes.
129. What did you do after that?
After that I played football.
What did you do after that?
After that I played football.
130. What did you do after that?
After that I went home.
What did you do after that?
After that I went home.
131. What did you do?
132. I went to school.
133. What did you do then?
134. Then I went to my classes.
135. What did you do after that?
136. After that I played football.
137. What did you do after that?
138. After that I went home.
139. She's Miss Freeman. She's an arithmetic teacher. She's talking to Tom's parents. 140. Mr. Baker is Tom's father. Mrs. Baker is Tom's mother. 141. Mr. and Mrs. Baker are visiting the school. They're talking to Tom's teachers. 142. Now they're watching Tom's history class.
143. Who's she?
She's Miss Freeman.
144. What is she?
She's an arithmetic teacher.
145. Who's she talking to?
She's talking to Tom's parents.
146. What is Mr. Baker?
He's Tom's father.
147. What is Mrs. Baker?
She's Tom's mother.
148. What are Mr. and Mrs. Baker doing?
They're visiting the school.
149. Who are they talking to?
They're talking to Tom's teachers.
150. What are they doing now?
They're watching Tom's history class.
151. Who's she? Miss Freeman.
152. She's Miss Freeman.
153. What is she?
154. She's an arithmetic teacher.
155. Who's she talking to? Tom's parents.
156. She's talking to Tom's parents.
157. What is Mr. Baker?
158. He's Tom's father.
159. What is Mrs. Baker?
160. She's Tom's mother.
161. What are Mr. and Mrs. Baker doing?
162. They're visiting the school.
163. Who are they talking to?
164. They're talking to Tom's teachers.
165. What are they doing now?
166. They're watching Tom's history class.
167. They're the Baker family. 168. Tom and Carol Baker are students. 169. Mr. Baker is Tom and Carol's father. 170. Mrs. Baker is Tom and Carol's mother. 171. Tom is Carol's brother. 172. Carol is Tom's sister.
173. Who are they?
They're the Baker family.
174. What are Tom and Carol Baker?
They're students.
175. What is Mr. Baker?
He's Tom and Carol's father.
176. What is Mrs. Baker?
She's Tom and Carol's mother.
177. What is Tom?
He's Carol's brother.
178. What is Carol?
She's Tom's sister.
179. Who are they? The Baker family.
180. They're the Baker family.
181. What are Tom and Carol Baker?
182. They're students.
183. What is Mr. Baker?
184. He's Tom and Carol's father.
185. What is Mrs. Baker?
186. She's Tom and Carol's mother.
187. What is Tom?
188. He's Carol's brother.
189. What is Carol?
190. She's Tom's sister.
191. We're Tom's parents. We watched his history class.
Tom raised his hand. He answered a question.
192. Then we talked to his arithmetic teacher.
She's a young woman.
193. After that, we visited the library.
194. After that, we went home.
195. Who are you?
We're Tom's parents.
196. What did you do?
We watched his history class.
197. What did Tom do?
He raised his hand.
198. Did he ask or answer a question?
He answered a question.
199. What did you do then?
Then we talked to his arithmetic teacher.
200. Is she a young woman or an old woman?
She's a young woman.
201. What did you do after that?
After that, we visited the library.
202. What did you do after that?
After that, we went home.
203. Who are you? Tom's parents.
204. We're Tom's parents.
205. What did you do?
206. We watched his history class.
207. What did Tom do?
208. He raised his hand.
209. Did he ask or answer a question?
210. He answered a question.
211. What did you do then?
212. Then we talked to his arithmetic teacher.
213. Is she a young woman or an old woman?
214. She's a young woman.
215. What did you do after that?
216. After that, we visited the library.
217. What did you do after that?
218. After that, we went home. 219. They're students. They're getting out of the bus. They came to school by bus. 220. Now they're going into the school. 221. They're standing in the corridor. The bell is ringing. 222. Now they're in the classroom. The class is beginning.
223. What are they?
They're students.
224. What are they doing?
They're getting out of the bus.
225. How did they come to school?
They came to school by bus.
226. What are they doing now?
Now they're going into the school.
227. Where are they standing?
They're standing in the corridor.
228. What's the bell doing?
The bell is ringing.
229. Where are they now?
They're in the classroom now.
230. Is the class beginning or ending?
The class is beginning.
231. What are they?
232. They're students.
233. What are they doing?
234. They're getting out of the bus.
235. How did they come to school?
236. They came to school by bus.
237. What are they doing now?
238. Now they're going into the school.
239. Where are they standing?
240. They're standing in the corridor.
241. What's the bell doing?
242. The bell is ringing.
243. Where are they now?
244. They're in the classroom now.
245. Is the class beginning or ending?
246. The class is beginning.